Hey folks, if you're seeing the iCloud backup failed, there was a problem enabling iCloud backup error on your iPhone. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show how you can fix this issue on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's dive right into the solutions. Solution 1, check your Wi-Fi connection. Open any browser and go to fast.com to check your internet speed. If your connection is slow, try turning on airplane mode. Wait a few seconds, then turn it off. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also, try moving closer to your Wi-Fi router to improve the connection. Solution 2, disable low data mode. Open settings, then go to Wi-Fi, tap the information icon next to your connected Wi-Fi network's name, turn off low data mode, check if the issue is gone. Solution 3, update iOS. Open settings, tap general, then select software update. If an update is available, update the iPhone. Solution 4, check Apple's system status. Open a browser and search for Apple's system status. Go to Apple's official system status page to see if iCloud services are down. If they are, you may need to wait until Apple resolves the issue. Solution 5, reset network settings. Open settings and go to general, scroll down and tap transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset and select reset network settings. Then enter your passcode and tap on reset network settings again. After that, the issue should be fixed. So guys, that's how you can fix the iCloud backup failed. There was a problem enabling iCloud backup on your iPhone. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.